140.
And it's locked. Found a bear. We found a bear.
Morning guys, this is day 2 of our Colorado trip. We are already late. We were supposed to leave by 6:30 am and it's 7:30 am right now. Plan is to go to Great Sand Dunes National Park. In our last trip, we decided that we'll at least visit 3 national parks this year. So this would be our second one.
Third one.
Third one? Oh yeah, third one. So we are already done. I am very excited. Although we are late, but no worries. We'll reach there on time somehow. There is one falls that I'm really excited about. It's called Zapata Fall or Zapata Falls.
Yeah.
However you want to pronounce it. It is amazing. We have to trek there. So the hike is very challenging. Drive there is like 2.5 hours. So it's going to be a long drive again. Nonetheless, we are heading towards Starbucks to get our coffee and morning energy. I'm all hyped up. मैं कल रात को बहुत अच्छे से सोया. The temperature was so perfect and we didn't have any dinner. So I don't think so I recorded. But today is the day that we are going to have that chicken curry that we made last night. And we're going to have so much fun. Colorado is so beautiful. As we are driving down this road, we are seeing a lot of wildlife. It's amazing. It's like Yellowstone Part 2. Mini Yellowstone. Colorado weather is just perfect. It's pleasant. That's why you can see me in hoodie and Geetik is also wearing some sweatshirt. We'll get our coffee and head to that national park. Bye bye. Cheers.
Yeah.
We just took a quick stop to appreciate this beautiful nature. So beautiful. Colorado is one of my favorite states. I'm gonna start visiting Colorado more often. Geetika and I were just talking कि यहाँ पे settle होना कितना amazing है. Look at that. Just look at that. Look how beautiful it is. Can you see the small lake or pond?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure यहाँ पे bears भी हो. बहुत सारे bears.
Bees hai, bees. Found a bear. We found a bear.
Finally, after 3.5 hours drive, we have reached the Zapata Falls trailhead. Beach mein we took a stop at Walmart because Geetika didn't have water shoes, so we got water shoes for her. It's 11 am right now. I am so very excited. I've been holding on my excitement for long. We have reached.
Half our day is gone just driving.
Let's take the water bottle. Let's
Yeah.
take our backpack, keep everything in the trunk, and head to Zapata Falls. Look at those shoes. Comfortable?
Yeah.
But they look nice.
Yeah.
मेरे को भी लेना चाहिए था क्या? So we have this protein bars. Zero added sugar. Alright, I think I'm ready. You guys are supposed to stay in. Bye bye. We have almost reached. There is the falls there. Now we have to cross this water. We just stop at a protein bar. And we are back. Photo session done. दीदी का कैसा था photo session?
अच्छा था. Very very sunny.
It's not hot, but it's very bright and sunny. Still have 20 minutes of drive remaining. One checked off national park from our list. Neelu Tagutara. Gadi reverse chestara. Gadi reverse aipoindi. Gadi forward start undi. We have officially entered the national park.
There is bighorn sheep, black bear, some bobcat that we can spot if we are lucky. Elk भी है, cockroach भी है. Why are you happy?
Because we just entered and found parking closer to the dunes. I think we'll need to wear our hiking shoes again. It is very difficult to
Very
walk.
hard.
बहुत difficult है यहाँ पे चलना. If you are doing this in your one day, Zapata Falls and sand dunes, carry 3 pairs of shoes. It is must.
Do sand dunes early in the morning. It's not hot, but it's very like sunny. Your head gets warm.
If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
There is our car and it's locked. Rahul put the key in the trunk and shut it off. And it's locked us out now. And we are on a call with Progressive and hoping that we can get some road assistance.
The service provider, once they're already open, your vehicle.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good.
We are standing right over here. Rahul, tell us what happened.
Tragedy happened. We came from a long hike. Walking on sand is not at all easy. And we were so tired. I was so ready to get inside the car. And I had a backpack. I usually have this cross bag as well. And I keep my car keys, my wallet in this cross bag. But for some reason, I kept the keys in my backpack. And as soon as I came near my car, I opened my trunk. I put my backpack in there and I closed the trunk without unlocking the car.
And
we
on the
locked.
other side, I was asking him, can you please take a second and open the car?
Yeah, and then I was so in hurry to take out my water bottle, close the trunk and get into the car. But as soon as I closed the trunk, the key was inside. Usually, it doesn't let us close the trunk if the key is inside. It starts beeping, but that didn't happen right now. It's just closed, and then we are now locked out. We had to
Yeah.
call our insurance and request for roadside assistance. It usually takes them an hour or two.
Ah,
Uh,
thank God we had lunch.
gave us the link, but we don't have internet, so we cannot open the link and we cannot see what is the estimated time of arrival. So guys, quick update. We just got off from the call Progressive. They said that they have assigned another driver. He should be here in an hour.
Yeah.
Wow, so much important information. Oh, there you go. Oh.
Ah. I pushed. Thank you.
Finally, we were able to get in our car. That guy, वो सच्ची में भगवान था भाई. It seems there's a lever over here where the trunk opens up, but for some reason the lever was stuck. मेरे को तो लगा था he might tow the car. गाड़ी सर्विस सेंटर जाती and पूरा ट्रिप फ्लॉप हो जाता.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, moving through me